In today's digital age, cybersecurity threats are evolving at an unprecedented pace and do involve attempts by nation-state actors. Compliance isn't just a choice, it's a necessity. Ignoring CMMC compliance can lead to severe penalties and possible criminal sanctions. Additionally, if you aren't compliant, you could lose current and potential future business. CMMC compliance is your shield against loss of sensitive data. It safeguards sensitive information and maintains trust with clients and the U.S. Department of Defense. Without it, your business is vulnerable to cyber threats that could jeopardize your reputation and U.S. national security. With over 25 years of experience, Arrakis Consulting stands as a leader in cybersecurity. Our expertise in CMMC helps ensure tailored solutions that fit your unique needs. Our proven track record speaks volumes. We've helped countless businesses achieve compliance efficiently, saving them time and resources. Trust us to guide you through the complexities of CMMC. Our professional services begin with a comprehensive assessment of your current cybersecurity posture. We identify gaps and vulnerabilities that need addressing for CMMC compliance. Reach out to us at sales@arrakisconsulting.com to schedule an appointment.